Tadasana, also known as mountain pose, is a foundational yoga asana. This pose is designed to improve posture and enhance overall body balance. Begin by standing straight with feet firmly grounded to the floor. Inhale deeply while raising arms overhead, stretching the entire body upwards for 20 seconds to improve body alignment. Vrikshasana, commonly known as tree pose, enhances physical stability and mental acuity. Begin by positioning one foot on the inner thigh of the opposite leg. Bring your palms together above your head, extending your arms fully. Maintain balance by focusing your gaze on a single, stationary point. Breathe slowly and deeply throughout the pose to improve concentration and stability. Bhujangasana, commonly known as Cobra pose, is a yoga asana that enhances spinal flexibility. The pose is known for its therapeutic effects, particularly in alleviating back pain. To perform the pose, begin by lying face down on a yoga mat. Inhale deeply as you gently lift your chest off the mat, engaging your back muscles. Maintain relaxed shoulders throughout the pose to avoid unnecessary tension. Regular practice of Cobra pose strengthens the spine and provides relief from back discomfort. Adho Mukha Svanasana, known as downward facing dog, is a yoga pose that stretches the entire body. This pose enhances blood circulation throughout the body. To perform the pose, form an inverted V shape with your body, ensuring your heels press toward the ground. Hold the position for 20-30 seconds to achieve a full body stretch and an energy boost.